I'm Lynley from Outdoor Adventure and Travel, and I'm excited to be here at Mr. Motorcycles. I'm going to get kitted out in my first adventure bike gear. So helmet, jacket, trousers, boots, the lot. So quite excited to be here. Don't know much about motorcycle gear, but we're going to find out a bit more now. Hi, I'm Lynley from Outdoor Adventure and Travel, and it's time to try on some motorbike adventure bike jackets. I went on to Mr. Motorcycles website and selected a few that appealed to me. So time to try them on. I've got a Spiddy brand of jacket, which looks quite cool. Decided to try on. And then we've got the Dry Rider. So I've actually ordered these in two different sizes. Normally my dress size is size 10, but the motorbike experts have told me it's actually quite good to have a bit more room in the jacket, so I've ordered a size 12 as well, just to see the different fits. So I'll try on the size 12 first. So what I love about this jacket, what appealed to me was the nice contrast of white, and we've got little subtle hints of pink, being a woman's jacket. So it actually feels really heavy, so you feel quite armoured, I think, with this jacket. And also it's got the zip off, so we've got the inner shell. We've got little pockets for sunglasses and cards and all sorts, so I'll just try it on. So it feels good, feels good. We've got the inner zip, and then we've got some dome system. We've got Velcro, we've got domes, all for a snug fit. Okay, so we're in. And fit wise, we've still got a bit of room there, but I don't feel as if I'm swimming in it. I've just got one layer on my underclothing, so yeah, it allows for more layers to be put on, and yeah, it's a good fit. And got little features here that you can actually tighten as well to get a bit more, if the ladies want a bit more fitting through the waist. But yeah, it's cool, I like this. Okay, so I'm now going to try on the size 10, which that's my normal dress size, just to get a bit of a comparison of fit. Whew. It's hot work trying on these jackets. So it's already started, it's feeling quite fitting. Oh. Yeah, so again it looks really cool and fitting, but just when you're raising your arms like that, which you'd be doing a lot of, sitting on a motorbike, hanging on. Yeah, you just feel a little bit restricted through the shoulders, so feel a little bit more comfortable in the size 12, which gives you more flexibility with what you wear underneath. Yeah, but cool looking jacket. Okay, so time to try on another style of a brand of jacket. This is the Spiddy brand. So what I like about this is the colours. Actually feels a softer fabric actually, so quite keen to see how it fits, what the fit feels like. So again, we've got lots of, we've got the dome out layer inside. Some cool little red bits too. That's sort of a zip for the inner shell. Then we've got domes as well for that inner shell. And then a big zip for the main jacket. Whew. Right. Whew. One business. Yeah, so really great looking jacket. This is a medium, so yeah, the fits good for me. Feels a little bit shorter maybe if you prefer a shorter style jacket. But yeah, awesome. It's going to be a tough decision.